All right, here we go. All right, here we go. I got my carrots here from the intro of the video. I actually went ahead and changed the time on this thing so that it now shows the proper time, which is 3:44. Boom. And I'm gonna just give you guys a recommendation for anyone starting a YouTube channel and doing unboxes. Go ahead and have the box sitting this way so that people don't see your address. As I'm saying that, I'm noticing that my address is still right there. It's right there. Okay, whatever. Now you know my address. Whoever's happens to be watching this video, congratulations. Send me some fan mail or something. If you're a fan of me, that'll be pretty cool. All right, so like we said, we're gonna go ahead and open this up. I am going to just talk about the contents of this box, and then we're gonna go ahead and give it a full-on usage or use. We're gonna use it, and then go from there. All right, let's go. So let's take some of these items out, lay them out here, and let's see what we have. And just really quick, shout out to Tula. Coincidentally enough, and that's everything, styrofoam. Not styrofoam, what is that called? Like bubble wrap. So coincidentally enough, this is a company, I've been interested in this mic for a long time, and I reached out to them on Instagram a long while ago, like a year. And I didn't get a response, but I also noticed recently that they never saw the message. So I went ahead and sent them an email, and like so quickly they got back to me. And I don't know, I'm just, they said something along the lines of they'd be honored to have me do a video. And you be honored for me to do a video? I'd be honored to do a video for you guys, right? It's that kind of thing. So very excited to give this a go. Let's just kind of look at the pieces that came here and kind of go from there. All right, so they sent me a Tula Mic pop filter. Maybe we'll take these out. It is an unboxing after all. And so this is a mic filter, kind of like a foam type material. Oh, sorry. Mic filter, foam type material. Yeah, okay, cool. That's not really focusing in properly, is it? Let's see. If I let it sit there, will it focus? Oh, I gotta cover my face. Yeah, it's kind of focusing. That's fine. USB-C to USB-C cable. Boom. So we'll take this out. And yep, these are always good to have. So that's cool. Put that over here. We have a case. Obviously, we're saving the best for last, right? I need to get better at like knowing where to look. I know to look here, but I keep looking at myself up there. I'll get better at this eventually. But yeah, I should be looking right here. Maybe even tilt this down a little bit so that, yeah, there we go. Okay, so I'm talking to myself in the mirror. So yeah, so this is the case that it comes with. Boom, where the cables and such can go right in there. Very cool. And this is gonna go really nice, the size of this, with my Peak Design everyday carry, where the contents are coming out of it right now. But I carry this with me all the time, everywhere. And yeah, the size of this mic is going to be really, really cool for that. So here we go. This is what you guys came to see for this unboxing section of the video. Actually, one more thing before we do that. There is one more item, and that item is called a dead cat, of course, right? So we have another thing that's pretty cool. RIP to the cat. And if you guys know me well, you know that I'm a big cat person. All right, so I'll let you read this. You can like pause the video if you want. I'm not going to read through the entire back. I'll just read through some. Great sound for Zoom, YouTube, podcasts, and more. Enjoy the freedom of mobile recording. Advanced noise reduction on demand. Professional mic made by audio professionals. High tech inside, simple outside. Modern style with a hint of nostalgia. Clevgar. Yeah, that's right. I pronounced it right. All right, cool. So let's go. Let's okay, so we're gonna use this to open it. So let's do it. So there were 3 color choices to go with, and I'm not gonna tell you guys which one I got. You gotta watch the video to see. If I can get this open, why am I struggling? So there we go. There's the little opening. There we go. Whoa! Look at that. Will you just look at it? Do you guys know who Ed Bassmaster is? He's a funny dude. Well, this feels super premium. Who does like, yeah, funny stuff on YouTube. So let's take everything out. This says mic adapter right here. So we're gonna just, I guess, peel that up, peel that off, and it looks like, yeah, okay, cool. This is like a piece that we'll look at momentarily. All right, cool. So here we go. Also, this should be up here, right? You guys want to see the time. Sorry about that. You know what? We're just keeping it casual today, right here for this part of the video. So really nice feel. First of all, feels premium. Reminds me of the way the OP1 felt when I first used it. Yeah, there we go. Boom. Get that out. Get that out. So you have a little. Oh, how do we use this? What do we do with this? You know? Oh, wow. There we go. Hang on. There we go. Okay, so we kind of does some flip action like this, and we're gonna figure out exactly how to utilize it properly. But yeah, buddy, looks good. Looks good. I like the look of this. I like the feel of it. We're gonna obviously give it a test run momentarily. But yeah, this is good stuff. Oh, there we go. That's how it's supposed to be. Boom. Okay. So it's just like sitting upright. You have little feet there, rubber feet. And boom, that's like that. This is like another piece where I guess this can go into some other, if you want to like stand it somewhere else. I'm probably going to be using it like this mostly. You have an additional USB cable and then the USB-C to USB-C. So very excited, all right? We got some power, volume up and down, forward, back, mute, noise cancellation, and power. And USB-C on the back. And more buttons. Whoa, they got buttons on the left and right. Am I confused? What's going on? Another plus minus. We'll figure out what all this stuff does momentarily. Sorry, I should be holding it up like this. Boom, there we go. And this side. Boom, there we go. All right, that's the end of this part of the video. So let's go ahead and put this to good use and try it out in these different settings and go from there. Real quick, this is the instruction manual that comes with it in case you guys want to take a look-see. All right. And yes, Angelica, I know I need a pedicure. You're probably not watching this video. Whenever I post, long story. Anyway, there's the other side. All right, cool. I'm gonna go check this out. I need to get better at looking. I just keep looking up there. I keep looking there, but I need to be looking here. Thank you for watching. Let's go.